Namaste children, welcome to today's class. We are discussing the 7th chapter, cubes and cube roots. In the previous class we studied what are cubes, what are the properties of cubes, and identifying whether the given number is a cube or not, it is a perfect cube or not. If it is not a perfect cube, with what or with which small number it is multiplied or divided so that we will obtain a perfect cube. So today we are going to discuss in today's class cube roots. What are cube roots? How do we find the cube roots of a cube number? What are the different methods? So what is a cube root? Before cube, what are cube? The product which is obtained by multiplying a number by itself for 3 times. That is, 1 is multiplied by 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1, it is 1. 1 is multiplied 3 times, that is 1 cube, that is equals to 1. So here what is this? It is cube. This is the product which we got. And this product is the cube of 1. Similarly, if you multiply 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 cube, which is equals to 8. Here 8 is the cube. The number which is multiplied by itself for 3 times to obtain a cube, a perfect cube, this number is known as cube root of 8. Here cube root of 1 is 1. Similarly, the cube root of, so when you multiply 3 into 3 into 3 3 times, 3 cube, that is 27. Now the cube root of 27 is 3. Cube root of 27 is 3. Similarly, if you multiply 4 into 4 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. That is 4 to the power of 3. 4 cube is equals to 64. Now the cube root of 64 is 4 because 4 is multiplied by itself for 3 times. And the symbol for cube root is, this is the symbol for cube root. Symbol for cube root. Now the cube root of 1 is 1. The cube root of 8 is 2. The cube root of, here this is the symbol, that is 3 root 27. Cube root 27 is 27. Cube root of 27 is 3. Like this, cube root of 64 is equals to 4. Cube root of 125 is equals to 5. Cube root of 216. Cube root of 216 is equals to 6. Like this we can find the cube roots. That's like this we can write the cube roots. So here cube root of 216 is 6 and so on we can get the cube roots of the cubes. Now how do we find the cube root of a number? So here we use the prime factorization method. Already we discussed in the previous class. We use prime factorization method to find the cube roots of a number. How do we find? By using prime factorization is write all the prime factors of a number in the triplet form. Then identify the factors which are in the triplet form. Find their product. That product will give you the cube root of the perfect cube number. Let us discuss with some examples. Now we will discuss exercise number 7.2. See the first question. Find the cube root of the following numbers by prime factorization method. As I told, we discussed in the form of examples. So here in exercise number 7.2, first bit itself we have 10 questions are there. From that 10 I have chosen these 3 questions. Now find the cube root of the following numbers by prime factorization method. First step you have to find the prime factors of the given number. Then second step, arrange them in the triplet form. Third step, from each triplet take one factor. If you find more than one triplet, we will get more than one factor. Now all you multiply the factors. The product which is obtained is the cube root of the given number. Sometimes we find different factors in the form of triplet or same factor in the form of triplet, having one triplet or more than one triplet also find. If you find more than one triplet, from each triplet take one factor and multiply all those factors. The product which is obtained is the cube root of the given number. Now we see here the second bit, 512. So find this prime factorization of 512. 2 is there in the units place. It is an even number and it is divisible by 2. Divide with 2. Yes. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4, 1. Bring 1, 11. 2 5s are 10. 11 minus 10, 1. And bring 2, 12. 2 6 are 12. Again here we have 6 is there. So it is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4, it is 1. Bring 6, 16. 2 8s are 16. Again with 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2 it is 1. Bring 2 12. 2 6s are 12. Now 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. So the last number which we got it is 2 is there, which is a prime number. Now write. Therefore 512 is equal to, write the prime factors of 512. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. All are 2. That is 2 into 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 2. See, 1 2 3. So write the prime factors of the given number. Then identify a triplet. See, triplet means 3 factors. 1 2 and 3. Now from each triplet take one factor and find the product. That product will give you cube root of the number. Now that is cube root of 512 is equals to, from this triplet 1 2 and from this triplet 1 2 and from this triplet 1 2. That is 2 into 2 4. 4 into 2 it is 8. So now therefore cube root of 512 is equals to 8, or 8 cube is equals to 512. Like this we will find the cube root of 512. Now let us try for the next question, third question. Yes, here we have the third question. It is 10,648. Yes, this is an even number and it is divisible by 2. Divide with 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Again with 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4, 1. Bring 3. 30. 2 6 are 12. 30 minus 12 it is 1. Bring 2. 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 2s are 4. Again with 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Then it is 2 1s are 2. Now it is an odd number and it is not divisible by 2. Check with the next number, prime number 3. What is the usual rule for 3? Add all the digits. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 1 8. It is not a multiple of 3 and it is not divisible by 3. Next 5. Here we have in the next place 1 is there and it is not divisible by 5. Next we have 7. We should check with the 7. Now you check with 7. If you check with 7, 7 1 plus 7, 13 minus 7, 6, 6 with 3, 63, 7 9s are 63 and 1 is left. So it is not divisible by 7. Then with 11, what is the usual rule for 11? The difference of odd place digits and even place digits is 0 or a multiple of 11. Then that number is divisible by 11. 1 plus 3, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. That is odd place digits and even place digits. The difference we got 0. Now also it is divisible by 11. 11 ones are 11. 13 minus 11, 2. Bring 3, 23. 11 twos are 22. 23 23 minus 22 is 1. Bring 1, 11. 11 ones are 11. Have you identified this number, children? 121? Yes, it is square of 11. 11 square means it is divisible by 11. 11 ones are 11. 12 minus 11, 1. Bring 1. It is 11. 11 ones are 11. So now what is this number which we got here? It is 10,648 is equals to, it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 11 into 11. Now therefore cube root of 10,648 is equals to, 10,648, not 1,000. 10,648 is equals to, from each triplet you take one factor. From here 2 and from here it is 11. Now 2 into 11 is 22. Therefore cube root of 10,648 is equals to 22. Like this we will find the cube root of the given numbers. I hope you understood. Now we will discuss 8th question. So what is the 8th question? Here it is 46,656. 46,656. It is an even number and it is divisible by 2. So divide with 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4. 1 brings 6, 16. 2 8s are 16. Again this number is an even number. It is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Bring 3. 13. 2 6 are 12. 13 minus 12. 1. Bring 2. It is 12. 2 6 are 12 and 2 4s are 8. So this is again divisible by 2 as the units place is 4. 2 5s are 10. 1 with 6 16. 2 8s are 16. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Now with the 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 with 8 18. 2 9s are 18. 2 1s are 2. 2 6s are 12. Now we can see here with the 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 8 it is 1. Bring 1 11. 2 5s are 10. 11 minus 10 1 and bring 6 16. 2 8s are 16. Now with the 2. 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14. 14 minus 14 0. Bring 5. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 it is 1. Bring 8 is 18. 2 9s are 18. Now it is an odd number. Continue here. Now it is an odd number. So it is not divisible by 2. Test with 3. So 3 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 9 18. 18 is a multiple of 3. So it is divisible by 3. Yes. So it is 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6 1 with 2 12. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Again with 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3. With 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6 it is 2 and bring 1. It is 21. 3 7s are 21. Again with 3 9s are 29. So 27. 3 3s are 9. So last number we got what it is? A prime number 3. Therefore 46,656 is equals to the prime factorization of 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 2s and 6 3s. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now identify the triplet. Yes, this is one triplet and this is the other triplet and here we have one more triplet. So total we got 4 triplets. From each triplet you take one factor and multiply all the factors, we get the product. Therefore cube root of 46,656 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That is 2 into 2 4. 4 into 3 4 3s are 12. 12 into 3 it is 36. the cube root of 46,656 is equals to 36. Yes. Like this, we will find the cube root of a given number by using the prime factorization method. We have one more method is there, that is estimation method. If it is a perfect cube, we can estimate its cube root. How it is, we will discuss with an example. Now, finding the cube root of a cube by estimation method. So here we have majorly three steps are there. First step, we have to make the cube number into groups. That grouping should be done from the rightmost digit. That is from right side to left side. That is each three digits will come under one group. So first step, take any cube number and make groups of three digits starting from rightmost digit of the number. Let us see the number. It is 8,57,375. 8,57,375. So this is the cube number. You group the digits into the groups. First group, that is from the rightmost digit. Which is the rightmost digit? Is 5. 1, 2, 3. So these two will form one group. That is 375. First group. Next three digits will form the second group. That is 857. Sometimes you may find only two digits. That two digits will come under the second group. Sometimes you may find only one digit. That one digit will come under the the second group. After grouping the digits, the numbers, then from the first group we will get the ones place digit or units place digit of the required cube root. How we get it? So this is the first group. Identify the units place digit of the first group. As we studied the properties of cubes in the previous class, if 1 is there in the number, its cube will ends with 1. If 2 is there, its cube will ends with what it is 8. So if like that, if 5 is there in the units place of a cube number, its number will have 5 in the units place. That is the cube of 5. It is 125. It ends with 5. The cube of 15, it ends with what it is 5, it ends with 5. So like that, here 5 is there. Therefore, the units place digit of the cube number, the units place digit of the cube root of the given number will be 5. If here it is 8 is there, if you find 8 in the units place, then the cube root, the units place digit is 1. If you find 1 in the units place, then we will find 1 in its cube root. Similarly, if you find 6, it is 6. If you find 4, that will be 8. If you find 3, that will be 7. If you find 7, then the units place will have what it is? 3 will be there. Units place of its cube root will be 3 will be there. So like this, here 5 is there. Therefore, 5 will be the cube root of that number. Then take another group, the leftward group, that is 857. Then to this number, identify the nearest cube number, nearest cube root. 875. It is what it is more than 729, which is a cube number, and less than 1000. This number. So you have to identify that number in between which two perfect cubes it comes. Then from that two perfect cubes, you take the cube root of the smaller cube number as the second digit of the required cube root. Now we will discuss an example. Find the cube roots of the following numbers by estimation method. The first bit is 8,57,375, and the second question it is 17,576. It is 8,57,375. Now group these numbers, first group and second group. First group will be rightmost three digits number, that is 375, first group. Then 857 is the second group. If you find one more digit, that comes under the third group. Now second step, what it is? Identify the units place digit of the first group. Here it is 5 is there. Therefore, the cube root of any cube number with the units place 5 is 5 only. That is, units place digit will be 5. So the first units place digit of cube root of is 375. That is 375. The units place digit will be what it is? 5. Units place digit in the cube root. In the cube root will be what it is? 5. Then we have to find the tens place digit. Units place digit in the sense ones place digit. So identify the nearest perfect cube of 857. 857 is 9 cube, which is equals to 729, is less than 857. If 729 is less than 857, it is less than 10 cube. That is 1000. 1000 is a perfect cube. 729 is a perfect cube. So from these two take the smaller perfect cube, that is 729. And what is the cube root of 729? That is 9. That will come as the second, that is tens place digit of the cube root. Therefore, cube root of 8,57,375 is equals to units place digit will be what it is? 5. On the tens place digit what will be? 9. So how to identify the tens place digit? It is the second group number should lie in between the two nearest, that is two perfect cubes. So 857 is more than 729 and it is less than 1000. So from this we take the smaller perfect cube and its square, that cube root will come as the second digit. Therefore, cube root of 8,57,375 is equals to 995. We can check it by using the prime factorization method. Next, we see the second bit, 17,576. So write these numbers in the first group and second group. 17 is the second group and 576 is the first group. So identify the first group number. Units place here we have 6 is there. So the cube root of any perfect cube whose units place digit is 6 is also 6. Therefore, the units place digit will be 6. Units place digit is equals to 6. Now we have to identify the tens place digit. Identify that 17 lies in between which two perfect cubes. That is 2 cube is equals to 8 is less than 17 and it is less than 27. That is 3 cube which is equals to 27. So 27 is more than 17 and 8 is less than 17. 8 is the nearest perfect cube. Now the cube root of 8, that is 2, will be the tens place digit of the cube root of 17,576. That is cube root of 17,576 is equals to units place it is 6. Tens place will be the cube root of 8. Cube root of 8 is 2. That will act as the tens place digit. Now cube root of 17,576 is 26. Like this, we will find the cube roots by estimation method. Is it clear, children? Thank you very much.